Hello students. First we will discuss some in-test questions. Page number 224. These in-test questions are very important for board exams. First question: why does a compass needle gets deflected when brought near a magnet? Here compass needle gets deflected when brought near a magnet. This is a bar magnet. This is the North Pole. This is the South Pole. This is the compass needle. This is the North Pole. This is the South Pole. These two are exhibits magnet properties. So magnet can produce magnetic field lines. So compass needle has some magnetic field lines and bar magnet has also some magnetic field lines. So these two are interact with each other, which causes compass needle gets deflected. The magnetic field lines of compass needle interact with magnetic field lines of bar magnet, which cause compass needle get deflect. Okay, here magnetic field lines of compass needle is interact with the magnetic field lines of bar magnet. So compass needles have some magnetic field lines and bar magnet has some magnetic field lines. Both are interact with each other, which causes compass needle will deflect. That is the answer. Next question, page number 228. Draw magnetic field lines around a bar magnet. Okay, this is a bar magnet, North Pole and South Pole. What is the question? Draw the magnetic field lines around. So inside the bar magnet, magnetic field lines are coming from south to north direction. So what is the direction here? South to north direction. So this is the south, this is the north. South to north direction. This is the inside, this is the outside. Outside of the magnetic field lines, what is the direction? North to south. So outside of the magnet, north to south direction. So this is the first line. This is the second line. This is the third line. Here also north to south direction. We are already discussed. Inside the bar magnet, magnetic field lines are south to north direction. Outside of the bar magnet, north to south direction. So this is the magnetic field lines around a bar magnet. Inside bar magnet, south to north direction, outside bar magnet, north to south direction. That is our answer. Next question. List the properties of magnetic field lines. We are already discussed properties of magnetic field lines. Once I am going to repeat. What is the first property? Magnetic field lines are magnetic field lines are imaginary lines. Okay, these are all imaginary lines used to identify magnetic field in given region. So what is the first property? Magnetic field lines are imaginary lines. These lines are used to identify the magnetic field in given region. That is the first property. Second property, the magnetic field lines are magnetic field lines are closed loops direction from south to north inside bar magnet and north to south outside of bar magnet. Okay, so magnetic field lines are closed loops. These are called closed loops. Okay, what is the direction? From south to north inside a bar magnet and north to south outside the bar magnet. The magnetic field lines are closed together where the magnetic strength is more and separate where magnetic field strength is weak. What is the next point here? Magnetic field lines are closed together at where the magnetic field strength is more. At magnetic field strength is more, at that point magnetic field lines are closed together. Observe here, at this particular point all loops are comes to one point. So what we understand, at this particular point magnetic field lines are comes closed together. So at this particular point magnetic field strength is more. At this particular points means poles of the magnet. At poles of the magnet magnetic field strength is more. And separate together where magnetic field strength is weak. You can observe here, at this particular point magnetic field lines are separated because some gap is there between the lines, some gap is there. So at this particular point magnetic field strength is weak. Fourth point, the tangent at any point represents direction of magnetic field. Here we are going to use the tangent line. This tangent line represents the direction of the magnetic field. At any point of the closed loop, I am taking this point line. What is the direction of the magnetic field? Is the tangent. You can take this point. What is the direction of the magnetic field? This line. That is the magnetic field direction. You can take this point. This is the magnetic field direction. So this tangent line represents the direction of the magnetic field. Last point, the magnetic field lines are never intersect together. These magnetic field lines are never intersect. That is a property. These are all properties of magnetic field lines. Next question. Why does not two magnetic field lines intersect each other? Okay. I am taking the two magnetic field lines. Suppose this is the one magnetic field line. This is the one magnetic field line. Suppose I am taking the at this point P. What is the direction of the magnetic field? This is the direction of the magnetic field for this line. What about this line? Magnetic field direction is this direction. So when two magnetic field lines are intersect, at that point magnetic field lines has two direction. It is possible, which is not possible. Magnetic field lines has only one direction. Okay, that is the answer. If suppose magnetic field lines are intersect at that point, means this point, magnetic field has two different directions. Which is not possible because magnetic field has only one direction. So magnetic field lines are never intersect. That is the answer. These are all the in-text questions. Up to now what we discussed, suppose in a conductor some current I is flow. Okay, when some current is flows in a conductor, it surround magnetic field produced. Okay, that is only we are discussed. What about the magnetic field direction? That is our next topic. Magnetic field due to current carrying conductor or wire. Okay, magnetic field due to current carrying conductor or wire. Okay, it has some cases, different cases. From this topic we will understand what is the direction of the magnetic field. First one is magnetic field due to current carrying straight wire. Okay, for this I am constructing one simple circuit. Simple circuit. First of all, I am taking the one cardboard. This is the cardboard. I will show the actual cardboard. This is the cardboard. Okay. Make the hole center of the cardboard. Place it straight wire. Okay. This is the cardboard. Make the hole at center of the cardboard. Place the straight wire. I am taking this is the straight wire. Place it like this. Like this. Okay. Like this you can place the wire. At this point I am taking the P. This is the Q point. At point P is connected to battery of positive terminal and negative terminal of the battery is connected to one terminal of the plug key. Okay, this is the plug key or switch. Another terminal of the plug key is connected to Q point. Okay, this is the small circuit. Now in this circuit, what is the direction of the current? Positive to negative. So this is the positive, this is the negative. So current direction is P to Q, means downward direction. Okay. After that you can place the some iron powder on the cardboard. Okay. This is the P terminal. This is the Q terminal. So P terminal is connected to battery positive, means this wire is connected to positive terminal of the battery. Negative terminal of the battery is connected to one terminal of the switch. Another terminal of the switch is connected to this terminal. Okay, this is the circuit. After place the some iron powder, spread on the iron powder on cardboard. When you close this circuit, what happened? Some current I is flows in the conductor PQ. So due to that current, what happened? This iron powder will align in form of the concentric circles. Okay, these are the concentric circles. Okay. What about the magnetic field direction? Find the magnetic field direction with the help of compass needle. Okay. Place the compass needle on the cardboard. Okay. This is the compass needle. north direction, south direction. When you place the compass needle on the cardboard, this compass needle will move clockwise direction. It shows the clockwise direction. Okay? Shows the clockwise direction means the magnetic compass needle will deflect clockwise direction. This is the clockwise direction. I will show the another image. This is our conductor P Q. So what about the current direction? P to Q. P to Q means current is moving downward direction. Downward direction. What about the magnetic field direction? Clockwise direction. So this is the direction of the magnetic field. So magnetic field is clockwise direction. Okay. So what we understand? When current is flows in conductor downward direction, so magnetic field is clockwise direction, means like this direction. Okay, this is the clockwise direction. Now repeat the experiment with change the current direction. This is the cardboard. Make hole on center. Place the conductor PQ. This is the P point. This is the Q point. So P terminal of the conductor or copper wire is connected to negative terminal of the battery. Negative terminal. Okay. Positive terminal of the battery is connected to one terminal of the switch or plug. Another terminal of the switch is connected to point Q. Okay, this is the circuit. Now what is the direction of the current in the circuit? So this is the plus, this is the minus. Okay, what is the direction? Positive to negative. So current flows this direction. Okay, so current flows Q to P. Last experiment, P to Q is the current direction. In this experiment, Q to P. So what changes in the experiment? Current direction is reversed. So current direction Q to P, upward direction. Upward direction. So close the circuit. On the cardboard, place it some. Spread the iron powder. When current is flows in the wire PQ, it produces the magnetic field lines. These magnetic field lines are concentric lines. Okay. Now what about the direction? How to find the magnetic field direction? With the help of compass needle. Place the compass needle on cardboard. Find the magnetic field direction. When you place the compass needle on the cardboard, it deflects in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, anti-clockwise direction means this direction. Okay, anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so this is the conductor P Q. So current direction is upward direction. This is the current direction. What about the magnetic field? This is the anti-clockwise direction. So magnetic field is anti-clockwise direction. When current moves in a straight wire in upward direction, So what about the magnetic field is anti-clockwise direction. If suppose when current I is flows in a conductor downward direction, what about the magnetic field? Magnetic field is in clockwise direction. This is the experiment. So how you find the magnetic field? With the help of the compass needle. So what are the observations of the experiment? Observations of the experiment. First observation is when current is passed through a straight wire or conductor, the magnetic field lines around it form of concentric circles. Okay, what is the first observation? When current I is passed through the straight wire, magnetic field lines are in form of concentric circle. So when current I is flows in the straight conductor, so it produces magnetic field lines in form of concentric circles. Concentric circles at where? At center. Second point, when the current direction from P to Q. P to Q means downward direction. Downward direction at the time the direction of magnetic field is clockwise direction. Second point, when current direction is P to Q means downward direction. At that time, what is the direction of the magnetic field? Magnetic field is clockwise direction. Next point, when the current direction from Q to P, Q to P means upward direction. Upward direction at the time the direction of magnetic field is anti-clockwise direction. Okay, anti-clockwise. When current flows from Q to P upward direction, what about the magnetic field direction? Magnetic field direction is anti-clockwise. Next point, the magnetic field decreased as distance is increased. If suppose you will increase the distance, means center of the cardboard to outside, you will increase this distance, magnetic field will be decreased. If you decrease the distance, magnetic field is increased. That is the fourth point. The magnetic field is decreased as distance is increased. These are all the observations of the experiment. Suppose if you have no compass box, okay, if you have no compass box, how you find the direction of the magnetic field? If you have no compass box, then in that situation also you can find the magnetic field by using the right hand thumb rule. So next topic, right hand thumb rule. In this rule we are not use the compass box. Take the right hand. This is the right hand. This is my thumb finger. This thumb finger shows the direction of the current. Suppose you can place the thumb finger like this, so current direction is this direction. Suppose you can place this direction thumb, so current direction is this direction. So this is the upward direction, this is the downward direction. What about the remaining fingers? These are all remaining fingers will show the magnetic field direction, whether it is an clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Suppose this is a conductor. So in this conductor I am find out in magnetic field direction with the help of the right hand rule. How you find the magnetic field direction? So thumb finger shows the direction of the current. So in this conductor current direction is upward direction. Okay, upward direction. What about the remaining fingers? Remaining fingers will shows the magnetic field that is anti-clockwise direction. So when current flows upward direction, the remaining finger shows the magnetic field direction in anti-clockwise direction. Suppose in this situation, so magnetic field direction is downward direction, means this direction. So this is the downward direction. What about the remaining fingers? These are all remaining fingers shows the magnetic field direction in clockwise direction. Here we are using any compass box? No. So right hand thumb rule we can use with the help of your right hand. Here two main points. Thumb finger represent direction of the current. Thumb finger represents the direction of the current, this direction or this direction, upward direction, downward direction. Second point, the curly fingers or remaining fingers represent direction of magnetic field. This is the conductor PQ. So current moves P to Q direction. This is the current direction. What about the magnetic field? Magnetic field is in clockwise direction. Okay, clockwise direction magnetic field. Now same conductor current direction is reversed, Q to P. So current is moving upward direction. In that situation, what about the magnetic field direction? Anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction of magnetic field. So this is about straight wire or straight conductor. So in a straight conductor, current flows downward direction, magnetic field is clockwise direction. In a straight conductor, current flows upward direction, so magnetic field is in anti-clockwise direction. Up to now we are discussing just in case of straight wire. Next case is magnetic field due to circular loop. Circular loop. Okay. Take a conductor placed in form of circular loop. In that case, we are going to define the what is the direction of the magnetic field. Construct a small circuit with the help of circular loop. Take a cardboard, okay, this is the cardboard. Take a conductor in form of circular loop. This is a circular loop. Make the holes at 2 points of cardboard. Place the circular loop. This is the front side, this is the back side of the circular loop. Okay, one end of the circular loop is connected to positive terminal of the battery and negative terminal of the battery connected to one terminal of the plug key or switch. Connect the another terminal of the switch to another end of the circular loop. This is the one circular loop. Okay, this is the negative. So what is the direction of the current in the circular loop? This is the point P, this is the point Q. So current flows from positive to negative. So this is the direction of the current. So this is the direction and this is the direction of the current. Next, this is the direction of the current. So in this circuit, current flows from P to Q. Place the some iron powder on the cardboard. Okay, actually this is the construction of the circuit. This is the cardboard. Take a conductor, place in form circular loop. This is the front side, this is the back side of the cardboard. This is the point P, this is the point Q. At point P, this terminal is connected to positive terminal of the battery. Negative terminal of the battery is connected to one terminal of the switch. Another terminal of the switch is connected to this terminal at Q. So this is the P, this is the Q point on cardboard. Spread the iron powder on cardboard, this area. Okay, this area. When you switch on the circuit, what happened? The current flows from P to Q. Due to the circuit, magnetic field is produced in form of circular loops. Okay, at P point, at Q point. Okay, these are the circular loops. Now, what is the direction of the magnetic field? How to find the direction of the magnetic field? With the help of compass needle. Place the compass needle at point P. This is the compass needle. Okay, north direction, south direction. So when you place the compass needle near to point P, so at P, what is the direction of the current? Upward direction. Okay, upward direction means this direction. So current direction is upward direction. At P point, current is upward direction. So when current is moving in upward direction, what is the direction of the magnetic field? Anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction. This is the direction of the magnetic field. Okay. So at point P, current direction is this direction, anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Now move to point Q. At point Q, what is the direction of the current? Current is downward direction. Okay. At point Q, current is downward direction. Okay. Place the compass needle. So what is the direction of the magnetic field? When current flows in a conductor downward direction, the magnetic field is clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. Okay. This is the clockwise direction of magnetic field. So here this is the direction of the magnetic field. So if you draw more magnetic field lines at point P, these are the more lines at point P, at point Q. So magnetic field direction is outside. At point Q, magnetic field direction is inside. Okay. Repeat the experiment with changing the direction of the current. This is the cardboard. Make the two holes at point P and Q. Place it the conductor form of circular loop. Okay. This is the circular loop front side. This is the back side. At point P, connected negative terminal of the battery. This is the negative terminal of the battery, and positive terminal of the battery is connected to one terminal of the switch or plug key. Next, another terminal of the plug key is connected to point Q terminal. Okay. This is the circuit. So here what is the direction of the current? So current direction is this direction, positive to negative. So here current moves from Q to P. After, spread the iron powder on the cardboard. Okay. When you close the circuit, what happened? The current is flows from Q to P. Due to that current at point P, at point Q, the iron powder is aligned in form of circular concentric circles. Okay. These are the concentric circles at point P, at point Q. Now, what is the direction of the magnetic field? Place the compass needle near to point P. Okay. At point P, what is the direction of the current? Current direction is downward direction, this direction. So current is flowing downward direction. Okay. When current flows downward direction, what is the direction of the magnetic field? Magnetic field is in clockwise direction. So at point P, magnetic field lines are clockwise direction. Next, at point Q, place the compass needle near to point Q, north pole and south pole. At point Q, what is the direction of the current? At point Q, direction of the current is upward direction. Okay, so current direction is upward direction. In case of conductor, current is moving upward direction. What is the direction of the magnetic field? Magnetic field is in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, this is the anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction, this is the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so at a point P, magnetic field is in clockwise direction. At point Q, magnetic field is in anti-clockwise direction. But here at point P, magnetic field is anti-clockwise direction. At point Q, magnetic field is clockwise direction. Suppose you have no compass path. What you can do? How to find the magnetic field direction? With the help of your right hand. Okay, place the right hand here, make the direction of the current by using your thumb finger. Remaining fingers will show the magnetic field direction. Observations of the experiment. First observation, the magnetic field or concentric circles near the wire. Okay, so magnetic field or concentric circles near the wire. So near the wire, magnetic field lines are concentric circles. We can find direction at any point by consider it a straight conductor. Straight conductor. Okay, so we can find the magnetic field direction. First of all, we will consider that is a straight conductor. From this straight conductor, we can find at any point magnetic field direction. So second point is, we move away from center of concentric circles of magnetic field lines becomes bigger. Okay, we will move center of concentric circles from the magnetic field lines becomes very bigger. These are the concentric circles. If you move center of the concentric circles, magnetic field lines becomes very bigger. Okay, very bigger. And at the center, magnetic field lines becomes straight. If you draw the more magnetic field lines, what happened? draw the more magnetic field lines comes as straight lines. Okay, these are the straight lines. Next point, every segment of wire produce a loop of magnetic field which is in same direction. Every segment of the wire means any point of the wire will produce magnetic field in same direction. Same direction means concentric circles. Next point, at center of coil magnetic field is strong. Center of the coil means this. Okay, at this particular point magnetic field strength is very more compared to here and here. If you move the distance away from the center, what happened? Magnetic field strength is weak. Okay, at middle of the loop magnetic field strength is more. So these two are the two cases: magnetic field in a straight wire, magnetic field due to in a circular loop. These two topics are very important for your board exams. So please understand the concept and remember for long time.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.